Good morning, students. So today I am going to deal with the next concept, that is the types of cell data. As the name itself indicates, so what we can enter in MS Excel sheet. So four things normally we can enter. The first one is text. So text, one more name for this one is label. Text or label are any alphanumeric entry. A table can be up to 32,767 characters long, including spaces. Although only the first 1024 characters will display in the cell with left align. Most importantly, labels can overlap into adjacent cells as long as there is no other data in those cells. So example for text, I think all of you know, that is we can enter any alphabets. Suppose if I enter the alphabet as is the name. So if the name is very much long, on that time it overlaps to the next cell. On that time what we have to do is that, so just increase the column width. Then you can enter alphanumeric value, that is just like a seat number. So I can enter the number as A12 in this way. So text includes both numbers as well as text. Maximum we can enter 32,767 characters, and by default it is aligned with the left side. Then if you take to the numbers or values, I think all of you know, values or numbers are any numeric entry. Values can contain spaces, dashes, slashes, etc. Values do not allow decimal spaces right aligned by default. So here you can enter any numbers, then you can enter the decimal value, and if the number is very much long, on that time you can easily view, see here it overlaps to the next cell, but when we click outside, automatically it comes in the form of 1.2 e plus 15. What is e means? Exponential. It is nothing but 1.2 into 10 raised to 15. So if we see here, there are 15 zeros. So 1.2 e plus 15 instead of 1.2 into 10 raised to 15, it shows a exponential value, and by default it is aligned with the right side. If we enter text, it is aligned with the left side, and if we enter any numbers, it is aligned with the right side. Next one is date. MS Excel shares date as sequential numbers which are called serial values. So normally you can enter any date. First you have to write a day, then you can enter month, then you can enter the year. So it comes in a different format. So if I want to change the format on that time, so select this one and click on home tab, here numbers option, then here custom, then here more number formats are there. Just go here and select any type. If I want DDMM in this way, on that time go for this option. Okay, see here you can easily change it. Next one comes the formula. Formulas are allows users to perform simple and complex calculations. All formulas start with an equal symbol. While writing formulas, it is important to use cell addresses but not the cell values. So always formula begins with the equal sign. So I will choose this one, A2. All of you know this one, A3, A4, then A5. So automatically 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. So if I change the value here, instead of 20 I will make it as 50. Automatically the value changes. So here normally while writing the formula you have to use the cell address. So instead of that, if I use 10 plus 50 plus 30 plus 40, so the value comes 130. But if I change any values here on the time, here it changes, but here it doesn't change because here I have written the cell address. So whatever the value, if I change in the cell address, automatically which affects to the formula. But here instead of formula, I have written the numbers. So these are the four types of cell data normally which we have to enter in the sheet. Next concept is linking the formulas. So we can link the formula from one sheet to another sheet. We can take values from one worksheet or workbook to another worksheet or workbook and use them in formulas in that worksheet or workbook. So normally I have created two tables here. The first one is value 1, value 2 and sum. Here written 100, then 200, then I have written the formula as, so if I double click here it shows the formula. B1 plus B11 plus C11. So when I click enter button, so 100 plus 200 it becomes 300. So here again I have written the formula 100 plus 500, that is F11 plus G11 equal to the sum will be 600. Now I will delete this 500. So I will take value 2 from sheet 4. Value 2 from sheet 4. So what I will do is that, so I place the cursor in V2, then click on sheet 4 and the value is here, that is 500. If I move here, then you have to do equal, then sheet 4, then this one. Then if I move sheet 3, first I will clear it, clear all values, then equal, then sheet 4, then this one. Enter, automatically changes to 600. So 100 value is here, then if I click on 500, instead of when I click 100 it shows 100 here, but if I click on V2, instead of 500 it will show sheet 4 exclamatory A1. That is, first we have to write the sheet name, that is sheet 4, that is exclamatory sign, then address of 500 is A1. Or what you can write is that delete, now equal to, here V1 value is J11 plus, directly you can write a sheet 4, then exclamatory sign, then A1. So J1 is 100 and value 2 it takes from sheet 4. So see, it becomes 600. So normally if we want to take any values from other sheet on the time, just you have to write the sheet name, that is which sheet is it, it is in sheet 3, sheet 4, whatever it may be, then you have to write the exclamatory sign, then just write the cell address. Now today's last concept is naming a constant. So normally in computers we are using two concepts. One is variable, second one is constant. So what is variable? So variable is a value which keeps on change. So example for variable is like A, B, C, D, etc. So variable means we don't know the value. So it changes. For example, here I have taken the variable as A. Its value may be 10, its value may be 5000, value may be 300, 5000, 10,000, 1 lakh, whatever it may be. It keeps on changes. Variable. Constant is a value which doesn't change. So example is 100 or 50 or 700, whatever it may be. 700 means its value will be 700 only, and if I take 100 its value will be 100 only. But in variable what happens, if I return A, we don't know the value. It may be 1, it may be 5, it may be 10, it may be 100, it may be -5, whatever it may be. So here naming a constant. So constant's value which doesn't change. So here I have created one table, that is value 1, value 2, value 3, then sum. Then here 100, 200 and 300. So normally what I would write, so I will use sum formula. Then the address of 100 is E4 plus address of this one is G4. To G4. One thing you can write, or what you can do is that equal to sign, then just click on the auto sum option. Auto sum option, when we click, automatically it takes E4 to G4. Or what you can write is that equal to E4 plus F4 plus G4. So three options are there. Either you can use the function as sum, or you can find the auto sum option. Auto sum option is used to calculate the sum of the numbers from either left side or from the right side. Or you can write the formula like equal, then E4 plus F4 plus G4. So in next one, so what I will do is that instead of 100, so 100, what I would write, its address is how much? E7. Then here F7, then G7. If I want to find the sum of these three numbers, I would write equal to E7 plus F7 plus G7. Here what I will do is that for 100 I will give one name, and 200 for one name, and 300 for one name. So how to do that one? So first place the cursor at 100, then click on Formulas tab, then click on Define Name. Here it opens a new name option. So here instead of name V1 I will give it as Amar. Okay. Then for 200 formulas define name, here I will give it as Akbar. And for 300, I think all of you know the next name, it will be Anthony. So okay, so just place the cursor on the particular cell, then click on Formulas tab, then click on Define Name button. It opens a new name dialog box. Here you just give the name and click on OK. Now equal to, instead of E7 plus F7 plus G7, so what I will write is Amar plus plus C. Instead of here I have written E4 plus F4 plus G4. Here instead of the cell address it will take the name. So this is nothing but the naming the constant. So in next class we will move to the formulas option. So different types of formulas available. So whichever you want, so we will learn it. So thank you.